In today's video, I'm going to teach you Microsoft Loop, transforming the way we work together. Microsoft Loop is a flexible space for thinking, planning, and building with your team. We'll walk through the essentials so you can go from a blank canvas to an organized, actionable workspace in minutes. First, open your browser and head to loop.microsoft.com. Sign in with your personal or your work or school Microsoft 365 account. If you have multiple profiles, choose the one where your project lives so your content is easy to find later. After signing in, you'll land on the home area, which highlights recent work and suggested content. A quick tip: bookmark this page so you can jump back in fast. Next, create a workspace. Think of a workspace as the container for everything related to a project, its pages, links, and files. Give it a clear, memorable name that reflects the initiative or outcome you're driving. If there's an optional description or cover, use it to clarify the purpose at a glance. A well named workspace saves everyone time and reduces context switching. Inside your workspace, start adding pages. Pages are where your actual work happens. Meeting notes, plans, research, and task lists all live here. Create a new page and sketch a simple outline with headings so your content stays readable as it grows. You can keep separate pages for different work streams or nest related pages to reduce clutter. The goal is to keep each page focused on a single topic so it's easy to scan and update. To get momentum quickly, try a built in template like project planning. Templates give you a ready-made structure for goals, milestones, timelines, and ownership, so you don't have to start from scratch. Treat the template as a starting point. Rename sections, remove what you don't need, and add areas that match your team's process. Consistency across pages makes status reviews and handoffs smoother. Now start building the page content. You can type directly like you would in a document, or use the / command to insert richer building blocks. Typing a slash opens an insert menu where you can add tables for structured data, checklists for to-dos, images for context, and tasks you can assign. When you insert a task, set the owner and due date so expectations are crystal clear. Tables are great for tracking work, while checklists keep smaller actions moving. Keep components concise, use clear labels, and group related items to make updates quick. That's it. Sign in, create a workspace, add pages, start with a template, and use the slash menu to build exactly what you need. Follow these steps, and Microsoft Loop will help your team stay aligned, organized, and moving forward.